In this video, we are going to discuss about local variable and global variable in Python programming. First, let's see what is a local variable. The variables which are declared inside a function are called as local variables. We know that Python doesn't support data types, so there is no need of declaring any variable in Python. So that's why if we perform an initialization inside a function, then the corresponding variable will becomes the local variable. So we can make use of that variable only in that function only. Whereas global variable means that variable is declared on top of all the functions. That means on top of all the functions, if we perform an initialization like this, it will become the global variable. Now with the help of an example, let's see what is a local variable and global variable. Local variable means we can use that variable only inside that function only. Whereas global variable means we can make use of that variable in entire program. Let's see an example for this. So for that, let us define a function. So def, let name of the function is fun. So def fun. Here argument list is empty. So colon symbol. A is equal to 10. Next to print a value. So print in function a is display that value, comma a. So next we have to call the function. Let us call the function here fun. Here we have called the function. So whenever a function is called, then the control goes to the function definition. So now this function definition will get executed. A is equal to 10. This statement is written inside this function fun. So we can make use of this a only inside this function only. Outside this function we cannot use as a. So we cannot use as a here. If we try to use a here, then Python interpreter will displays error message. This is called as local variable. If we perform an initialization inside a function, then it is called as local variable. We can make use of local variable only inside the function in which it is initialized. So then what is the output now? In function, what is the output? In function, a is, what is a value? So 10 gets printed. Okay. Now let us define one more function. Let name of the function is fun1. So def fun1. Here let us perform an initialization like this. B is equal to 20. So we can make use of this B only inside this function 1 only. Okay. Let us print B now. So print in function 1 B is, so what is B value? So just we need to print the B. Okay. Next we need to call this function 1. So call function 1 from function 1. Okay. So first we got this statement as the output. So next statement fun1. So this is nothing but function 1 function call. So whenever this statement is executed, then the control goes to the function 1 definition. So B is equal to 20. So this is nothing but initialization of B. So this B will become local variable now. So we can make use of this B inside function 1 only. So in function 1 B is, so what is B value? 20 will get printed. Let us assume that in place of A, I access B here. Then Python interpreter will displays error message. Why? Because B is initialized inside function 1. So we can make use of B inside function 1 only. It is not possible to use B in this function. Okay. If you do like this, then Python interpreter will display error message. So likewise we can make use of this b inside this function only. In this function it is not possible to use a. So if we try to use a here, then it will displace error message. So this is about local variable. Now let's see about global variable. So what is global variable? So for that purpose let us perform an initialization here. Global variable means the variable which is initialized on top of all the functions. So first we have to declare the global variable, and after that if there are any user defined functions, then we have to define those functions, and then the remaining parts of the program. Okay, so from here only call the function function2. Now let us define one more function, def function2. So in function2 our target is we want to make use of this a. Here what is this a? This a is nothing but global variable. We know what is a global variable. Global variable means we can make use of this variable in entire program. So throughout the program we can make use of a. But if we want to use that variable, we have to use a keyword called global. And what is the name of the variable? A. If we want to use this a in this function too, then we can make use of like this. Okay, if we want to print, then there is no need, directly we can print. So print global variable, global a is, so what is global a? 100. We will get the output now. So global a is 100, so we will get the output. But if we want to perform some operations on the a, then we have to use a statement called global a. Global a. So whenever this statement is declared, then only we can access that a. Otherwise it is not possible in Python programming. Here our target is we want to use this a inside this function too. So let us declare as global a. Then after that, for space constraints I am writing here a is equal to some a plus 1. Okay, then print a value. So print here also we can print. So print a is global a is a. Here also perform the printing. So print a is a. Now let's see what is the output here. Here call the function. Here call the function. The first statement is fun1. Fun. So this is nothing but not the part of the function. So this is nothing but outside the program. Outside this function to definition, we have written this statement. So initially we have called the fun. So control goes to the fun function definition. A is equal to 10. Here a value is 100 also. So which a value will be printed? Which a value will be printed? If we declare a same variable as local and global variable, then by default the preference will be given to the local variable. By default the preference will be given to the local variable. So what we have now in function 1, a is, what is the output? What is local variable a? 10. So 10 will get printed. Next fun1 function call. So control goes to the fun1 function call. B is equal to 20. So this b is nothing but local to function 1. So in function 1, b is, what is b value? 20 gets printed. Next a is, so what is a now? What is a now? Here we declared a as a global variable. So we can access that a here. There is no problem. But if we want to perform any operation on a, then we have to write a statement as global a. Global a. But here we are not performing any operation. Simply we are displaying only a value. So that's why here global a is not needed here. So what is a value? So a is 100. So that statement will get printed. So here this function call is execution is over. So control goes to the next statement after the function call. So what is the next statement after the function call? Fun2. So control goes to the fun2 function definition. Global a is. So what is a value? What is a value? 100. So 100 will get printed. Here we have written a statement called global a. Why? Because here we want to perform some operation on a. If we want to change a value, then we have to write this statement global a. Why? Because for this function a is not a local variable, a is a global variable. So now a will become what? 101. A will become 101. 101. So now this A will become 101 now. Okay. So once it is over, control comes to the next statement after the function call. A is, so which A will get printed now? This 101 or 10. Here for this function, A is a local variable. If you declare a same variable as local and global, then by default the preference will be given to the local variable. So 10 will get printed now. So here local variable and global variable mainly specifies one thing, that is scope. So what is the scope of a variable? Scope of the local variable is local to the function. Why? Because we can make use of that local variable inside that function only. We can make use of this B inside this function only. We can make use of this A inside this function only. Whereas coming to the global variable, we can use the global variable entire program. So the scope of the global variable is global to the program, entire program. Whereas the scope of local variable is local to the function. Okay. In entire program we can make use of global variable, whereas local variable means only inside that function only we can use that local variable. Okay. So if you want to perform any operation on the global variable, like any arithmetic or any other operation on global variable, so what we have to do? We have to write a statement called global space name of the variable. Then only we can perform some operation. Otherwise, Python interpreter will display an error message. Okay. So this is about scope of a variable or local variable and global